Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to test out the new Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Vault collection. Finally! We've already tested out the other three. It's about time we got to this one. I'm so sorry for the delay. If you did not see my last video, then you probably did not see that my husband is deployed, so it's been a little bit hectic here. But we're finally getting in the swing of things, so it was time to finally try this bad boy out. I think the colors in here are absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at those. So I figured we'd try and create a perfect fall look using this palette. And fingers crossed, it performs good. But real quick before we get into it, if you have not done so already, please do not forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a video. And don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media, which is always going to be linked. If you're new here, I'm Michelle and I upload every week. I am doing both beauty and lifestyle videos, so if you're interested in any of that, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get right on into it. So as you can see, I've got all of my makeup done pretty much, except for my eyes. And of course everything will be linked right down below, as it always is. So really all we have to do is break into this. Like I said, these colors are beautiful. They're stunning. I just hope that it performs good. So far I've liked the majority of the palettes. But so yeah, we're just gonna get started. And I think we're going to go in first with this orange color right here called Agent. It's a very pretty orange color. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Agent with this fluffy brush right here. This is it has powder all over it. I dumped my setting powder, sorry. And I guess this has powder on it. And I didn't realize it. But this is a Mally brush. There's no number on it. I don't even remember where I got it, but we're going to go in with it. And we're going to put it mostly into the crease. It's very pretty. It's showing up pretty well. I actually thought it was going to be a little brighter, but that's okay. I'm actually glad that it's not. Yeah, it's applying very well. It's blending very easily. Oh, and because I forgot to say this, I did already prime my eyes with concealer. Just the concealer I'm using today, which is, let me see if I can find it up here. My vanity is a complete and total mess, and I definitely need to organize it. Oh, right here. I used the Urban Decay Naked Skin today, as it used to be a favorite and it's been a while. So I'm going to just use the same brush now and go in with this more yellowish orange called Access up here. And I'm just going to take that right above, not super high, but just right above that first color. Just like so. Okay, so next I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This one is, I don't know, there's no number or anything on it. I don't even remember when I got it or where. But we're going to take this, and we're going to take the less fluffy side, the more dense side, and we're going to go into Smooth Criminal. We're going to focus that brown color on our outer corners and right in the crease, just in the crease. Okay, now I did kind of bring it down in the inner corner too, because I want to create a slight halo effect. But the rest that's on the lid, that's fine because we're going to cover it. But next I'm going to go back in with the Mally brush I was using, and we're going to go into this darker brown called Prowl and use that to deepen the corners and a little bit of the crease. All right, so the next thing I am going to do is I'm going to go right into the center of my eyelid with this beautiful foil color, Classified. It's beautiful. I actually also love this gold right here, Coin, but I'm going for a more simple look and stuff, so that's why I'm going to go with Classified instead. It's just a little bit darker, a little more neutral, and a little less flashy, but still flashy, which is amazing. And I'm just going to use my finger because that's just how I feel is the easiest to apply foil shades. And I'm just going to tap it right here in the middle of my eyelid. Okay, so I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, and I was expecting much better color payout with that. I've never had this issue with the foil colors in the other palettes from this collection, but as you can see, it really didn't apply much. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find a flat eyeshadow brush, if I can, in this giant mess I call a vanity. Alright, so I'm going to take this Alamar brush. I got this in like 2 months ago's BoxyCharm, I do believe. September's, I think, yeah. And now I am just going to go in with the same color. And I'm going to spray it. The spray I have right in front of me happens to be the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, which is amazing. If you don't have this, I also like to use MAC Fix Plus, but really any beauty spray will work for this trick. And I'm just going to spray the brush. Just 2 little squirts. And hopefully this will make it show up better. Yes, that is much better. But still not fantastic. I'm a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, alright, so that color was a little bit disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it looks beautiful, but it's definitely not as vibrant as I thought it would be, and it took a lot more effort for it to show up than I feel like it should have. But that's okay. I mean, sometimes you have to work more with some eyeshadows. It's not too bad. And I mean, the rest of the colors, I think, you know, that I used at least, I feel have so far really worked beautifully. So now I'm just going to go in with that Mally brush that we were using before, and I'm just going to very lightly, just one itty bitty dip back into the Prowl, which is the dark brown one. Just boop, and just use that to blend so that it's seamless. There's no like harsh lines where the glitter starts and the, you know, normal matte colors end, you know what I mean? Okay, and for the bottom, I am going to go in with the lighter brown, the Smooth Criminal one. Yeah. All right, and I'm going to use this other Alamar brush that came with the one I already used. Like I said, that came in a BoxyCharm. That video will be linked where I review all of that stuff. But it's just one of the flat ones with the flat tops. And I am going to, like I said, go in with Smooth Criminal. And I'm going to take it about 3/4 of the way. Not all the way, just about 3/4 of the way. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush. I don't know the brand. I don't know anything. It just says shadow brush on it. I've had this for longer than I can even remember. It's definitely time to get new brushes, but I'm going to go into the lighter orange that we had used, Access, and I'm going to smudge out the brown with it and put it all under my lower lash line. Alright, and then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to go into this shimmer shade Guilt Trip. And I'm going to put that into the corner of my eyes to brighten everything up. Alright, yeah, that's beautiful. There is a little bit of fallout. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I see some. Let's see if it just brushes away easily. Hopefully it does, since I already did my full face of makeup. So, probably not my smartest move. But yeah, it does actually seem to just kind of brush away. Nice. Alright, so next I'm just going to go in with some mascara. I'm just going to use what was right in front of me, which has been one of my favorites, and it is the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. Super inexpensive at the drugstore. Definitely check it out. I have a video that will be linked where I am trying it for the first time. So, if you're curious. Alright guys, and we are back. I did my mascara and I also added some lip gloss. Please don't mind my horribly dry lips. I know they're super chapped and they look terrible. My skin also is not looking great. I think it's like a mixture of the dry Arizona weather along with stress. But I did just apply a gloss because I didn't want to dry out my lips even more. So I definitely didn't want to go near liquid lipstick. This is no longer available, so I apologize. But it is the Cream Pie Lip Gloss from Patrick Star and MAC. Like I said, no longer available. I apologize, but it's beautiful. And it just happens to be the gloss I picked up. I'm sorry. But yeah, overall, I like this palette. I did have problems with the one shimmer shade, which was called Classified. I don't know about the other shimmer shades, except for the one I used in the inner quarter, Guilt Trip. That worked beautifully. And I can't wait to try Coin. Hopefully that works good, and VIP. But for the most part, this palette's a winner. I like it. I like it. I do recommend it, actually. I think it's beautiful. It's really good for a fall look. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you enjoy it. And if you did and you want to see more just like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. As always, again, do not forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.